isn't fun and no one really wants to talk about it, but it's a really big issue for many people and it can significantly affect their quality and enjoyment in life. So for me, that means it's super important to talk about. Hi there, I'm Jess Harvey, Osteopath and Director here at Head to Toe Health. Thanks for joining me. Constipation is something that is really common and there's plenty of things we can do to support our healthy digestion. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 effective ways to help get things moving again. Number 1, that's what we consume, food and water. There are certain foods that stimulate the movement of contents through the bowel. Foods like capsicum, turmeric, peppermint, ginger, ground flax seeds, and bitter herbs and vegetables such as rocket. Foods that help with relieving constipation in the moment include dates, whole peppercorns, and soaked chia seeds. And what about water? Most adults would need to drink at least 2 litres of filtered room temperature or warm water daily. For kids, we encourage 30 mils per kilogram that the child weighs. This means that for a 20 kilo child, we aim for about 600 mils. But avoid drinking water with meals, especially if you're struggling with constipation. Number 2 is stomach massage. This helps to reduce muscle tension, break down the contents of the bowel, and relax the nervous system to allow it to move into digestion mode. Perform stomach massage with castor oil in a circular kneading motion in a clockwise direction for 3 to 5 minutes each day. After the massage, for extra effect, cover the abdomen with a tea towel, put a hot water bottle on it, and go to sleep or lay down and rest. The oil absorbs through the skin overnight and helps to loosen the bowel contents by the morning. Finally, let's look at positioning on the toilet. When emptying your bowels, it's important to position the body in a way that supports the process. Imagine for a second a hose that has a kink in it. The water flow is reduced or even stopped. Once the kink is removed, the water flows freely. On a standard toilet with the knees low than the hips, the bowel is kinked near the end. A squatting position is actually the ideal positioning to unlock the bowels. Unless you're bush camping, it's not really that practical. So how are we going to simulate a squat to reduce the kink and place the bowels in a position to clear more freely when using a standard toilet? Well, it's easier and more comfortable than you probably think. Place a small stool or squatting potty like this one under the feet to raise your knees higher than your hips. Remember to relax as you empty your bowels. Using some slow, steady breathing, ideally lengthen your out breath to 8 seconds to bring your nervous system into the more relaxed side to help the process along. Straining while on the toilet can cause huge issues, including raising blood pressure, not to mention aggravated lower back pain, especially disc and nerve issues. Therefore, it's crucial we support the body throughout the process any way we can. So, there's 3 key ways to support your bowel function and manage constipation. Number 1 was food and water consumption. Number 2, stomach massage. And number 3 was body positioning for improved clearance. There are many other ways to support digestion and to relieve constipation. These include both symptomatic relief to get the bowels moving at the time, and also lifestyle strategies that you can implement to increase bowel regularity, such as bowel retraining, manual therapy such as osteopathy, acupuncture, dietary change, vagus nerve stimulation, and relaxation techniques. For more info on these, please check out the articles on our website or contact us to see how we can support you to improve your digestion and get things flowing again. This has been Jess from Head to Toe Health. Thanks for joining me. I hope you found this information useful and you can use these strategies to improve your digestion ongoing. Bye for now.